Working on bushings today. My brother-in-law Steve. First thing, make sure you got everything jacked up properly. Keep the suspension in place. Keep the car itself in place on the frame. And then another jack underneath the K-frame. Prothane. These are the new ones.
Can you see it in there? You want to get in there?
There. You can see that's where the old ones were. One of them. All right, as you can see, we got these old ones out. And they're just really nasty. Busted up a little bit. Got some poly bushings. All right, as you can see, we got the new one in place. Took a little bit of prime, had to clean up a little bit. Steve insisted that we clean this up a little bit.
Yes. It's like I don't want my mom to see it.
There's the old donut.
When I'm running her over.
And there's the new donut. Chocolate donut. Caramel icing. And that's 47 years worth of crud that came out of there. Got the front bushing out, as you can see.
You want that light or something?
Now don't tighten the back ones down all the way just yet.
Rear one is already in and looking good.
There it is. Now it's locked in. Now wait, see, this is what I was talking about. Let me see if I can get this in there. Oh, I can. Okay, cool. So now, again, I'm just going to take it right back out again, put that sleeve in there. Okay.
All right, we got 3 of the 4 out. There's a shot of all the dirt and crap getting out of the frame. Wow.
Rusted through on this one, but at least it's on the side, not the bottom.
All right.
I just missed that one coming out, but
There, if I can get it with this, if I pry it again, I'll bend that top piece. There it is. All right.
ta-da!
All right, cleanup time, real quick.
All right, success. Got all the old bushings out, and they look like crap. We got new ones going in. Well, the last one was the hardest one for some reason, but we pried it and got it out and got the new one in. Got the ones in the back. And now we're tightening them all up. All right, new K-member bushings all the way around, top and bottom. Got the torsion bar adjustment bolt or block back in there. That was the one thing we really had to loosen up. I don't know if you can see that, but it's that screw under here. All right, we got the wheels, tires back on. Gonna put it on the ground here and see how she sits.